Hi everyone, welcome. In today's video I have EDIFIER W360BT wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your iOS device. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to turn our headphones on and go into pairing mode. To go to pairing mode you have to hold this button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now as you can see we are in pairing mode. So we have to swipe down to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth settings, and we have to wait for them to appear in our devices. As you can see, they have appeared, so we have to click on them. And now we are paired and connected. That's it. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.